This is important. Where is he?
Chop doggy.
Say hi, Jax.
Hey, Bob. Hey, Bobs.
Shop Doggy just needs to get used to the garage.
Yeah,
He'll be in here.
Speed.
Today we are installing a door. Nothing out of the car door. Head door.
Hey. How you doing?
Nice meeting you here.
Fancy seeing you here. Come here often?
Again, nice work.
Just another day's work.
Just another day's work. But the camera kind of died halfway through the bullshit. But it's done. We got ourselves a door. Shout out Billy. Thank you. Better subscribe to the freaking channel, brother. Hey, bud. Well, my blinkers just decided to shit the bed. Well, one of them watched. Huh. Of course, I started talking shit about it, and it works. Orange is ugly, though. I don't know if anyone tunes into this channel to see any, like, helpful things, but, I went on Car ID, got these little, I don't know what lumens they are, but red LED marker lights, just cause, like I said, orange is ugly. It's a pretty simple fix. I honestly don't need, literally, you don't need any tools or anything. You just need kind of small hands like mine. Easy peasy. See, like, it's all crusty and ugly, and the thing is, paint is coming off, or the outer layer. The passenger side, way easier because there's nothing there. But of course, these excuse me, stock intake air box is all right in front of the driver's side. So this one should be a little bit longer. In case no one will believe me, I got the stock ones out. No tools needed. See if it works. Before I flip it around, I mean, like, that's literally like the easiest thing ever. Like, just buying blinkers. And look, so much better. I love it. Such a subtle thing. Make the car look so much meaner. That's pretty much it for the blinker install.
Not body clips. Just plastic washers. Oh. So we're breaking it back down so that we can do a little painting and cleaning. intake 1.0, which was printed backwards, so it doesn't actually fit right. But it worked, but I knew I could do better.
Garbage. So Nico went and finessed. Look at that. We got a groove now for more airflow. Actually lines up, you know?
Hopefully. We're gonna find out. Grease the bearings on the inside.
Yeah, that sounds like a job after we eat.
Kind of ran into a little problem.
So that used to be part of the shaft. It looks like the Woodruff key like chipped it off.
I shaved away.
Definitely not good. But for right now,
I don't give a shit.
I don't have another motor, so we're gonna have to try to figure out how to make this work. Yeah, that's what's taking all the load, and there's nothing there anymore. We would have to re-drill the mounting plate on the bottom of the bike to be further over to the left. Well, so that the key is actually grabbing. There's a key somewhere around here, and if we put it this way, it lands on that chunk that's missing. But if we put it this way, it's where the key is still one piece.
So what we would have to
Install this backwards.
This is about to die. Only got like 30 odd seconds, so I'm gonna just wrap this up. Hopefully the paint's coming soon. Hopefully. You know? Hopefully you can hear me over the compressor. But yeah, that's it. Okay, yeah, it's a lot smarter.
I mean, you're just gonna have to hold it. Gently. We're just hitting it with some wax and grease remover so we don't end up with fish eyes or anything like that. This time. The reveal. Would you like the honors?
It's black. Got him. Haha.
What's it called?
What is it?
Satin Lagoon Blue.
Satin Lagoon Blue. So much better.
Oh,
We are.
I can play. Michigan. Learning the creative process.
For real.
We're moving stuff.
Oh, it's moving.
Oh, here we go.
Oh yeah, bud.
Oh, disgusting.
Cut this beast out. What? I mean, yeah, I'm just gonna say this now. We're gonna be on a little hold because our space is being rented out at the current moment. But oh yeah, Nico went to town when I was babysitting on the beefy, oily, like, okay, like I got some big ass hands, like big hands.
It's real heavy too. It wasn't fun getting it out.
That shit is a unit. Seen better days. Oh my god, seen way better days.
I think it's not in terrible shape, honestly, but it spins too slow, and I'm hoping that's all the problem there is with the Mercedes starting.